Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Thinkware is the leading dashcam maker in tech-hungry South Korea, and the company is making inroads in the U.S. as well, with full-featured cameras that can make driving safer and sometimes even more fun. Director of North American Business Development, Brian Young, says the latest, the Q800 Pro, has arrived in Best Buy stores. The camera is QHD quality using a Sony sensor. It uses either your smartphone or a hotspot to connect online.
Once it is connected over a hotspot, Thinkware Cloud service is become active,
which supports geofencing and soon live streaming if you choose. The camera features lane departure and front collision warnings as well. Thinkware's dashcams have proven to be reliable and produce impressive video quality. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried-and-true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.